Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can download any project from GitHub. So let's get started. To download any project from GitHub, first open github.com in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project you want to download. You can either use the search bar at the top of the page to find any public project, or if it's your own repository, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select your repositories from the drop-down menu. Now, open the project you want to download by clicking on its name. On the project's main page, you'll see a green code button near the top right of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Download Zip. The project will now be downloaded to your computer as a zip file. Once the download is complete, go to the folder where it's saved and extract the zip file. After extracting, you'll have a folder containing all the project files, ready for you to access and work with as needed. And that's how you can easily download any project from GitHub. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.